right, Jeep family, this is Neil, Simpson Family Jeeps, sfj4x4.com, and I am sitting in a 1979 Jeep Wagoneer. This is a super cool project that the customer brought us about 6 months ago, and it is a limited edition barn find. Those two don't actually go together, but it is a limited and it is a barn find. And our guys here have worked diligently to rebuild, refresh this Jeep into a daily driver. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is largely original on the outside. And that's really where the beauty of this vehicle is. Not what you can see, but what you can't see. The sounds that this Jeep makes are among my favorite. The doors just shut and open so solid, and none of it creaks and groans. And that is a testament to the full suspension and shock work that the guys did. And then the real beauty that we have for this Jeep is under the hood. When it came into us, it had been fully undercoated both on the bottom side of the Jeep and in the engine bay. And there was a thick layer of grime on all of this nice metallic brown paint. And our guys went in and diligently scrubbed and cleaned using grease and wax remover and brought out this paint to the best of their ability. We ripped the entire driveline out of this Jeep and went through it piece by piece. The motor is punched out 50 over. Not exactly because we're looking to create a horsepower monster, but because when we actually got into the motor itself, as we were doing some diagnostics and inspection, there was a deep score in one of the cylinder walls. And so when we took it into our machine shop, they said that we had to go all the way to 50 over to try and get rid of that score. What our customer was looking for was a turnkey Jeep. He said, I want to be able to run to the grocery store, to go out to eat, and have the reliability that we have in today's vehicles. And that's what we sought to give our customer by doing the axles, by doing the suspension, and then doing the full driveline. This is a 360. It's the original 360 to this Jeep. It is backed by an AMC Turbo 400 and Quadra-Track transfer case. Our guys went in and fully rebuilt the transmission and transfer case. In fact, got authentic Quadra-Track, new old stock fluid for the transfer case for when we rebuilt it. The motor, you can see, has that beautiful AMC color to it, is fed its timing and fuel by Holley's Sniper fuel injection system. Parts of this fuel injection system didn't even exist when we started this job. The module underneath the air cleaner is the heart of the Holley system. We also have its Hyperspark, we have the coil, and the brain box, that all that Holley has to offer together, so that this vehicle, albeit a 1979 Jeep, is completely computer controlled. As we move around the Jeep, it's got the beautiful wood grain siding. You either love it or you hate it. Most of the people that we've encountered absolutely love this authentic wood grain. As part of that limited package, you have these beautiful aluminum mag wheels and OE Jeep center caps. And after sitting for 2 or 3 decades, you've got to imagine that aluminum was dingy and corroded, and our guys went in, polished them, cleaned them, and really made them shine. The Jeep does have a 2.5–3 inch lift to it. It's a full suspension lift, which did allow us to put a little bit bigger tire underneath of it, but without going overboard and having to affect a lot of other parts of the vehicle. The body is 100% original and was in very good condition when it came into us. And that's probably a major reason why it was saved. Age, however, did take its toll on some of the interior, and we needed to address the headliner. The guys did an awesome job on that, and we actually went ahead while we were in there and insulated the entire roof for better noise and climate control when you are inside the Jeep. The limited interior is showcased by this beautiful peanut butter interior, leather with the inserts here. But the very cool piece, the thing that I am most excited about, is actually hidden away in the dash. The dash is fully functional, but when you drop this down, you can see the Holley Sniper digital readout. When the system warms up, and you can see that now our gauges and our monitoring systems are all loaded up, and we can actually change that gauge readout, looking at different vitals, looking at our AFR, or air fuel ratio, and bringing up different aspects. So this very period correct Jeep is fully computer controlled and fuel injected, so that there is no carburation issues. When it's warm, when it's cold, it just starts and stops exactly as a fuel injected vehicle would. I'm exceptionally proud of the work that SFJ has done on this one, and I'm sure that the owner or any future owners will absolutely adore this vehicle and enjoy it for many, many years to come. Hey Jeep family, thanks for joining us today with this walk around of this beautiful 1979 Jeep Wagoneer Limited. If you like what you saw today, make sure you click like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you get notified when we put out more content about cool vehicles like this or any other of our project vehicles that we've helped build or supply parts for in the Jeep community. Bugs flew in on me there.
So do you want to do an intro here? Like, hey, yo,
That's not the clap. That's the
reel.
incorrect clap.
That's the blooper reel.
The beauty of this vehicle is not what you can see, but what you can't see. Doors. Don't worry. Very good condition. And that's probably why the Jeep was saved. I don't know why I'm doing.
I don't know why you're doing that either. Start over. Start over.
It's like a grapevine in the middle of walking around the Jeep. I was trying not to put my back to the camera, but you know what? I have a little mic on.
I can still hear you.
You could still hear me, and I have a mic on. All right.
You don't have to do that. You could just walk around.
Jeep family, I hope you enjoyed today's look at this customer's ride. If you want more content from SFJ, check out our YouTube and other social media. I probably shouldn't be vamping about that stuff right now, so I'm gonna try it again. If you liked what you saw, make sure you click the link below. Is there a clicking link?
No,
why do I
like.
keep trying to say that?
Because we're going to link it on Facebook. But you want to click the like button.
Click the like button.
Subscribe to our channel.
Quick.
So there are three. You got to click the like button.
Mm-hmm.
You got to subscribe to our channel.
Gotta subscribe.
And you got to hit the bell so you get notified when we post new videos.
All right, we're gonna have to write that down at one point.
You have a piece of paper. I'll just hold it up here. We'll wait till the train.
And now we have a train.
Yep. Something like that.
Because this is when everybody link, share, copy, paste.
Yeah.
You know, send it to everybody. Click the link, subscribe.
FYI, I'm still recording.
Oh.